Hey guys, this is my recording of the Medeco Biaxial with quite good bitting, if it'll focus. Yeah, it's quite good bitting, some very good variants, high low, high low. And it's a fun lock to pick. It's definitely not the hardest spinny. That one goes to the Medeco cam that I've so far touched in terms of the Medeco line, and Master Demhart, which I have right here, has 2 masters in it. I'm not picking this. That is a lock that can stay far away from me. Instead, I'll pick the much easier little brother, the Medeco Biaxial. You can tell that it's a biaxial, by the way, if I bring it closer. Let's see if this focuses right. If it focuses. There you go. You can see here there's a little, not that, rather this means biaxial. It has 2 little things on the side. That's an easy way to identify whether it's a biaxial or an original. M3s have M3 written on it, M4s have M4 written on it. So, I'll rake it again just for posterity. There's 2 things inside of Medecos: the sidebar and the top pins. Or, I suppose, the finger pins and the top pins. I'm a fan of picking Medecos clockwise when I can. I did the cam counterclockwise because that's slightly easier. There are 3 possible positions for Medeco pins. Either 20 degrees forwards, 20 degrees backwards, or, yeah, neutral. So you'll hear some different clicks, whether they're dull or loud. They don't particularly matter to me. All I'm looking for is, well, I mean, that was quick. I was going to say all I'm looking is for feedback. So that's an open. And I'll try not to take it out of shot this time, which would be good, because I definitely tried to record it about 2 seconds ago, and it did come out of frame. So I'll move this around, and I'll once again try not to... Oh well, fuck it, you guys get to look at the gut cam from this way. And you just have to trust that I am doing as I say. Now where are my wrench? It doesn't fit this size. Oh, I have a screwdriver kit. I should use it. What a wonderful idea. So I'll take out this Phillips head screw that I've used. What are they? Are they hex? Yes, they are hex. Now where are my hex bits are the question. Will this fit? Probably. Alright. Pin 1. Spring and driver. Pin 2. The focus is once again messed up. I would really like it if it would stay focused. Pin 2. Where are my tweezers? One. 2 springs down here. 3. Showing you the sidebar is going to be a pain because I've managed to put an American locks C-clip into where the C-clip is supposed to be. I'm just that intelligent. It's a fantastic idea that I definitely don't regret. Number 3 is a... I'm not so sure that it's even a steel pin, but it's certainly some sort of not brass pin. And here we have another mushroom. So there's mushrooms in 2 and 4. Here is a smaller pin, probably for balanced pin stacks. And pin 6. Pin 6 is spring and standard. So here's the American, let's see, please focus, please focus. Yeah, that's the American clip that I managed to get on. If you'll excuse me, I will try and use a screwdriver to get it off. As I will once again change the bit that I use for a flat's head. The best C-clip removers are the ones that come in the screwdriver kit. I will hopefully not stab myself, but well, whatever happens, happens, huh? Alright. I don't need to use a follow-up, so I'll just pull this out for you. Or maybe not. I guess I'll lock it, and because you saw it was open, I'll use the key. Spin and out it comes. This lock has issues. What the hell? There we go. Here is the sidebar. Let me focus. Where's the sidebar? Oh, I'm not very good at this, am I? Here we are. You can see that it has the gates notched, all 6 of them. And you can see here that there's the 6 pins loaded there. I'll dump these pins out. One. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's the core once again. Nothing particularly special, no threading, just the normal biaxial core. And here's the body. You can see that there is a sidebar groove there. Again, completely stock. And let me arrange the pins. And I'll give you a close-up of the longest one, I suppose. If this focus will be nice to me. There we go. And you can see that there is the true gate there. And on the opposite of it, there is the much thinner, almost non-existent false gate there. Or maybe that's mastering gate. I'm not particularly sure. There's a little groove here. I'm not sure what that does. Something, I'm sure. So let me show you the pinning. This is not going to end in tears, I swear. Let me roll over the pins to show gates. Where is the gate on this pin? Hold on. This is really not working, huh? Alright, well, I guess I'll show one by one. Oh, wait, I've gotten the angle. There you go. You can see on at least 3 of them that there are the grooves. You can see this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and I'll arrange this so you can see its groove as well. And this one. There you go. Thank you for watching the pick. Have a lovely rest of your day.